Automatic tin can dust-proof plastic lid snap capper capping machine manufacturer. The drop cover method is the lower suction type, or lid lifting. Depends on lid if can use lid lifting or not, which is fast and stable. The glanding method adopts the cover to buckle, and smoothly presses the shaft to fasten the cap to the bottle body. The control system adopts international famous brand PLC, man-machine interface and other main components for integrated control. Stable performance and easy to understand operation. This machine is applicable for capping